Characteristic number 4, the religion of a woman. And it's amazing how the Prophet ﷺ mentions it on the bottom of the list. They marry people for their religion. That's number 4, as if to say it's the last thing that most people will look for in a woman. And then he said, alayhi salatu wassalam, فَاظْفَرْ بِذَاتِ الدِّينِ, seize the righteous woman. He didn't say, therefore, تَزَوَّجْ مِنْ ذَاتِ الدِّينِ, therefore marry the righteous one. Or, اختر ذات الدين, choose the righteous woman. He didn't say that. He said what? فَاظْفَرْ بِذَاتِ الدِّينِ, seize the righteous one. This word ظَفَر literally means a competition whereby you are the quickest to get to that goal. That's called ظَفَر. There is a prize. Many hands are reaching to grab that prize. You therefore rush to seize it and to defeat everyone in the competition. And therefore, أَنْتَ ظَفَرْتَ بِهَا, you have seized that prize. So he said, rush after her, seize her, compete for her. May you prosper. As if to say, that quality of righteousness that people have placed on the bottom of the list, you place it on the top of the list. May you prosper. So this is hadith number 1. The criteria of choosing a woman, righteousness was put at the top. And then when it comes to that criterion of choosing what? A husband, the same theme. The famous hadith which At-Tirmidhi narrates in his Jami', on the authority of Abu Hurairah, that the Prophet ﷺ said, إِذَا خَطَبَ إِلَيْكُمْ مَنْ تَرْضَوْنَ دِينَهُ وَخُلُقَهُ فَزَوِّجُوهُ. If a suitor comes to you asking for the hand of your daughter in marriage, and you are satisfied with his religion and with his manners, then marry him to her. That's the recommendation. Marry him to her. He said, إِلَّا تَفْعَلُوا, if you don't do that, تَكُنْ فِتْنَةٌ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَفَسَادٌ كَبِيرٌ, there will be widespread tribulation, corruption on the land. In other words, if a society appears that no longer values these 2 characteristics in men when marrying their daughters, then this is the beginning of the decline of that society. And notice something in this hadith, there was the added characteristic of khuluq, manners. So when he spoke about women, he said seize the righteous one. He didn't say seize the righteous woman of good morals, although undoubtedly it is needed. But when it came to the man, then you are to what? Choose the one of religion and morals. Why was the added trait of morality included for the description of a righteous husband? Usually, in most marriages, a woman is in a greater position of vulnerability than the man. And therefore, there is a greater duty upon the man to be a person of character, so as to not abuse this amana, this trust that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has endowed to him.